The good news, we explained to Mercedes' tireless public relations man, is that we can guarantee you a comparo win. So there it is, angry letter writers, we do rig these things. Or at least we did in this apples to pears contest, launched with a preconceived notion. It would be a stretch to call it a theory, as that might suggest the application of scientific method. At the onset, though, we hypothesized that pitting an E-class wagon against a similarly sized utility vehicle, the GLE-class, would result in a victory for the former. And it did. But this comparo is not so much about determining a winner as it is about explaining why the wagon won. Why, indeed. In the hope that we might convince you, the car buying public, and maybe even the car making companies, that station wagons should rightfully account for a greater share of sales against crossovers. Does this qualify as service journalism? Let us answer that. Yes. We chose to compare Mercedes-Benz's because the all-new 2017 E-Class wagon represents the pinnacle of the species. The Benz Mercedes tells us is most favored by those outsized earners in the top tax bracket of 39.6%. See, being rich means you're smart. Still, most people shopping for a Benz hauler opt instead for a GLE, which outsells the wagon by a 23-to-1 ratio. The erstwhile M-Class, the first Mercedes-Benz sub offered in the US, has since followed the trend in shifting its presentation from off-roader to crossover, while the current iteration has been on the market since the 2012 model year. The name changed from M-Class to GLE for 2016 and our AMG GLE43 variant is new for 2017.